Vaginismus is involuntary muscle spasm in vaginal wall, and it occurs 10% in Turkey, but is a worldwide problem. Now I want to speak to one of my patients who came from England, and I want to take her emotions. Mrs. Lisa, do you permit me for this video camera recording and also broadcasting in the websites, firstly?
Yes, I do.
Yes. Please, can you tell us about your feeling, your emotions before the treatment, what you feel?
So, before the treatment, I had been suffering from Vaginismus for 7 years.
7 years?
Yes.
Okay.
So, what it was, I wasn't initially aware what the problem was, but then I did my personal research and then found out what it was all about, and I then knew I had a problem.
Yeah.
And I lived with this for 7 years.
Mm-hmm. How does this problem affect you emotionally, your social life, your...
It was absolutely disastrous to everything, to my social life, to my personal relationships, even with family and friends. It was like a dark cloud just going around with me everywhere I went, and it wasn't a good experience at all.
Yeah. Okay. So you have for 7 years struggling with this problem. It's like a dark cloud in your life, and for 3 days we get the treatment with yourself, and now we finish. And what do you feel?
It's always like I can't express it in words. So the first time we actually achieved penetration, which was on the first day of treatment, I was shocked actually, and I remember you were asking me why I was looking black, and the whole reason was that I was just absolutely shocked, because I remember even just a few minutes before we started, I was asking you if I needed some kind of anxiety medication or some painful drugs, or and I was actually expecting a lot actually. In fact, I was expecting some kind of maybe nurses holding me on different sides of my body and so on. But the fact that the whole process itself was so easy,
yeah,
and it was achieved.
Painful or not?
Painless.
Painless, okay.
And we achieved it in just, so the first penetration we achieved in less than 30 minutes after we started with treatment. And this is a problem I've been carrying around for 7 years of my life.
Yeah.
So, you know, having to describe that in words is very hard for me. It's just, it's a revealing and exhilarating experience.
Okay, that's nice. All of my Vaginismus patients have fear of pain. If you feel pain during the treatment, the people will be avoid to get treatment. That's normal. So our treatment is painless. It's a very short period of time, and it's called patients-friendly methodology that you spend 1.5 hours a day at the office, and you work 1.5 hours at the hotel, right? And totally 3 hours that you spend time, and 3 days you give here So then you finish. After your anxiety and your involuntary muscular contractions has been finished right now that I see in your face, because the first day you have got so fearful in your face. Then step by step we diminish the anxiety. Even you don't have any trial of intercourse, but you feel trust yourself very good. That's fine. We are working for since 2003 in Vaginismus treatment, treated more than 3,500 patients so far from all over the world. Mrs. Lisa accepted for the testimony. I thank her for the acceptance. And is there any word that you can send message or recommend to the patients or to the couples who are suffering from this disease?
I would highly recommend this treatment being given by Dr. Süleyman. The fact that you have 100% guarantee cure, and he has offered this treatment to more than 3,500 patients.
Yes.
And he's achieved 100% cure for all of them. I think for me that was the first major motivation and driving force to come in here before. Because before now, all I had gotten from all the psychotherapists that tried was just to go on and do it by myself and just relax as possible. And but with him, you get a lot more personalized approach, and it's actually he actually invests his time with you from start to finish, and you just feel relaxed naturally. And the fact that you actually start getting a difference, you feel a difference 30 minutes into the very first treatment, it's unheard of. This is a disease that I personally have done lots of research on before I finally found him. So I'd say he's the one to go with. And I am a living testimony of this, and I will be happy to give any further testimony, be it a personalized one, by email or by phone call, if anyone needs it. I'm based in London, UK.
Thank you very much. I wish all the best for you. Thank you.
Thank you.